Hey there, and welcome to our video tutorial. In this quick video, I'm going to provide you with an understanding of what a digital workplace really is, its benefits, and a quick demo of how you can drive more productivity using one. But first, why don't we just start with some terms like what even is a digital workplace? A digital workplace is a single place for your teams of really any size to be able to drive more team productivity. And that's done by pulling together all of the resources that you need to get your work done into one application. So pulling together project management, collaboration, file organization, and probably one of the most important, real-time data analytics. So that means through these digital workspaces, every team, whether you are distributed, remote, or hybrid, you can improve efficiency really no matter where you are. And then what are the benefits of using something that is a digital workplace is among probably one of the most important and ones that stands out is the time that you save that you used to spend switching between applications that you can now use to just be more productive in your work. So when all of those things are in one place, there's no interrupted workflow for your daily activities. In addition, you also get easy problem solving and minimal misunderstandings since everything is always transparent into who's doing what in a project through effective task management. A digital workplace is also a popular choice amongst companies because it brings confidence into your decision making by helping teams be more data driven and lead those decisions with insights versus gut-based decisions. And you're really just like your intuition, right? That's not how we want to make real business decisions. And too many times we see teams who collaborate in a different application where almost anything else is happening. So like your project management is happening in one place, but your collaboration is happening in another. Your tracking of data is happening in one place, but your collaboration is happening in another. Those things really need to be seamless so that where you're working, you're also collaborating. And then with all of those things combined, you're delivering aligned strategies. You're better focused on company goals, really when everything, files, content, chat, projects, data, everything is there in the same place that you're tracking the success of your business. But don't just take it from me. Let's go see it in action. All right, now welcome to Slingshot, your all-in-one digital workplace that combines everything you need to work. So what better example to go down than a marketing one? Every business needs effective marketing to increase your KPIs, right? So within Slingshot here, we have a marketing workspace that has all of the different projects that the marketing team is working on. So let's just dive into social media. And within my social media overview here, you can see all of the really important content that I need for all of the different team members working on social media to have quick access to. So data, our goals, our roles and functions. As a manager of our social media, I can see where specific tasks are blocked, where things are overdue, where kind of like my resources are lining up. And then within each project and workspace comes your tasks, your discussions, your pins, and your dashboards that we talked about. So within tasks here, you can see some of the effective project management that was mentioned, where all of the social media tasks are tracked here within tasks, subtasks, and sections. I have different views for my tasks. So I have Kanban and timeline that will help me effectively see dependencies. And then I have discussions over here where I can drive that collaborative in-context conversation So everybody that's working on social media has access to come in and chime into these different conversations that are going on. Within pins is where I can connect directly into my cloud storage providers so that I can pin anything that is relevant to my social media that I know that people need to go get again. So if we need our industry ad copy in here, I can pull that over into the related section. And now instead of when Joe needs industry ad copy going into 17 different folders in Google Drive, he can come right here and he has what he needs when he needs it. Within our dashboards is where all of that real-time analytics comes into play, where you can connect directly into a ton of different data sources and get those real-time insights. So for marketing, if you need Google Ads, Google Analytics, Salesforce, HubSpot, here's your social connectors down here, big data, you name it. You connect right into your data and you can start building these beautiful visualizations that you see here. Now, one of the biggest benefits that we did mention is the need to app switch is no more, right? So if I go to maximize this visualization, I'm looking at this as a manager. Hey, $4 per click is kind of a lot for our social media. Let me create a task right from this chart inside of my social media project for our campaigns for Facebook. And it pulls a link directly not only to that dashboard for whoever I'm going to assign this to, also a link right to the visual I created it from. And I can do lower cost per click. I can give this any description. I can assign this out to whoever is responsible on the team for this. I can set a due date here, and I can also give it a priority. I'll click create. And just like that, without the need to switch between multiple applications, I went from visualizing my insights right into creating a task for Grady here to lower our cost per click. And that is truly one of the biggest benefits that you get out of keeping everything that you need to be more productive in one application.